Hi guys, it's Kanisha, the gardening mama. Welcome to the channel. Today guys, yes, I want to share with you that we are going to be getting some chicks. Yes, come this spring guys, we're going to be getting some chicks. And if you're like me and you're getting baby chicks for the first time, you are going to need a brooder. Oh my, what is that? Yes. Well, a brooder is like, how can I explain it, guys? A chicken brooder is like a bassinet and a crib combo for chicken. So you're gonna need somewhere to put those baby chickens because if you're gonna order them like when they're a day old or maybe a couple days old, you're gonna need somewhere warm to put them. And then once they're a couple weeks, you're gonna need somewhere for them to grow into. So guys, today I want to share with you my chicken brooder that I made for almost, I want to say cheap, cheap. So guys, this is what the brooder looks like. So for each side, guys, I use a plywood, and this is like a 1/4 inch thick plywood. And I made a frame. So guys, this after using the materials to frame it out, I have the plywood. And this plywood, guys, is basically, let me show you what's going on. So that's the frame. And it's just some old plywoods that I'm using. And these plywoods, I got them for free. So it was a 1 sheet plywood. And what I did, because to get it in the back of my SUV, I had to cut it. So it wasn't cut evenly. So I kind of just clean up the edges as best as possible and then work with the measurement that I have. So I didn't start out saying that I want to make a 4x4 brooder or a 4x2. I basically said, you know what? I want to use this plywood and I'm just going to clean it up and see how best I can use the measurement that I have. And that's what I did. At the top here, I have some chicken wire. And this is what I think it's 1 inch chicken wire. I'll check the measurement and show you guys. And this is from I had it last year. Last spring, I used it to kind of put the border around my raised bed because I had rabbits eating all my seedlings. My reason for increasing the height of one of the posts, guys, was originally I wanted to use a heat lamp. So I make sure that I have something that's sturdy to clamp the heat lamp to, and also to ensure that if it should fall, this wire would hold it in place, preventing it from going onto the chicks and onto the bedding. So for that, I staple this permanently on. I only allow a little over half of the box to be open at any time. And that's for me to access the chicks, to feed them, to clean anything that I need to clean up. So that's my plan. But now I changed my mind about using a heat lamp, but I still allow this to stay in place because I'm doing this video. And if you guys are planning to use a heat lamp, this is a great way for you to design your brooder and where you have a permanent post to clamp your heat lamp onto, so you're not kind of just clamping it onto the side of a box. You can allow it to screw into this and make proper safety measures in place to hold it, and also to ensure it doesn't go onto the bedding, to permanently put a metal barrier. And this I am using chicken wire to prevent it from going onto the chicks and onto the bedding and to eventually cause a fire. So that's why I have this design.